cathedral bells. Windermere. Windermere. Gentle Hermione. The generous gardener. Lady gardener. The lark ascending. Lady gardener again. Bathsheba. Honeymoon. And there's some on this side. Honeymoon. And something is eating my Sally Holmes. Honeymoon. Honeymoon. Hurricane Katrina with a fairy trails hydrangea. The purple one. Hurricane Katrina. A lily here. I've got pink cashmere. I got an angel. I've got Senorita Rosalita newly planted. Some chenille plant. And this here is Abraham Darby. It's a teeny little baby. Abraham Darby. But let's go back to this beautiful lily. Apricot drift roses. Look at these babies. This is Agara, Coreopsis, and Phlox. And this one, probably past due, it is, I'm gonna pop it, is Belinda's Blush. This is another one of my favorites. Unfortunately, it really bloomed a lot and I have to deadhead. But this one is Duchess de Brabant, and she's always little care, lots of production. It doesn't look like much now, but she's beautiful. I'll leave you on this gorgeous delphinium.